Welcome guys to another Qpython tutorial. On this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually use basic Qpython operators. For example, the plus sign, the minus sign, the asterisk sign, the division sign, the double division sign, the exponent sign, and then the percentage sign. I'm going to be showing you guys what each of these signs does, so just pay attention and make sure you watch this video to the end to get full understanding of how this actually works. So the first thing I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the plus sign. So you want to be using the plus sign, you just simply do 5 plus 5. It's as easy as that. 5 plus 5, and this gives you 10. That's what it means. It just gives you 10. And the minus sign, what it does is subtracts. If I were to say 5 minus 2 or 10 minus 2, it will give me 8. That's what the minus sign does. It just subtracts. The asterisk sign, which is meant for multiplication, is used to multiply. So if I were to say 5 multiplied by 2, it will give me 10. This division sign, what it does is that it divides. So if I were to say 5 divided by 2, it gives me 2.5. So the next one I'm talking about here is the division sign. That's the double division sign. Now what this sign does is that it divides your number but doesn't add a decimal to it. So notice that when I divide this first number with just the single division sign, it gives me 2.5, and that's because I used this single one. But when I'm using this double one, it gives me just 2. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This gives me 2. That is because what this does is that it actually gives you the number before the decimal point and nothing more than this decimal point. So it rounds down your number. It doesn't round up, even if the number is above 5 or 5 or so. It just rounds down your number to 2. So it doesn't give you more than the number gotten before the decimal point. Now what this asterisk sign does is that it's used for exponents. Now the asterisk sign is used to multiply number by its power, as in 5 raised to the power of any number after it, or any number you put before the exponent. Let me just show you guys an example. If I were to say 5 raised to the power of 2, this will give me 25, because 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. So this sign is actually used in exponent. As you will see in some calculators, it will give you something like this 5 raised to the power of 2. That's what it shows in some calculators, because you can actually use the exponent sign, change this to the smaller numbers. So you just use this exponent, as the asterisk right here, to multiply numbers or give them in exponents. Now the next thing I'm going to be talking to you guys about is the percentage sign. Now the percentage sign in Python actually helps you divide numbers, and then it gives you the answer. It just gives you the remainder as the answer. That's what it does, just the remainder, nothing more than the remainder. So if I were to say 5 divided by 2, now you know that 2 goes into 5 just twice, and you have a remainder of 1. That 1 is what it will give you as your answer. Sorry, I should have used the percentage sign, not the division sign. So I'm going to be using the percentage now. So 5% 2, it gives you 1 as the answer, because 2 goes into 5 twice, and then the remainder is 1. The remainder is what this sign makes this line of code right here spit out for you. So the remainder is 1. That is why you are having 1 here. If I were to do this with 10 divided by 3, or 10% 3, sorry, it still gives me 1, because remainder in this case is still 1. If I were to do it with 10, or let me say 15 divided by 4, or I should abstain, divided by 4, this will give me 3, because 4 goes into here 3 times, will give you 12, and then the remainder is 3. And that addition of 3 to this 15 to this 12 will give you 15. So that's what the percent sign does. It actually gives you the remainder of any number you divide by. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to see more of our future videos, because I'll be uploading basically a lot about Qpython Qpython tutorial for Android, and you would not want to miss out on any of them. So subscribe and like this video and share on Facebook, and just make sure you don't forget to catch up on our future videos. That'll be all for now. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys later.